The 7 things that God hates: haughty eyes, lying tongue, hands that shed innocent blood, heart that devises wicked plans, feet that are swift in running to evil, false witness who pours out lies, one who sows discord among the brethren. This is the one that we have the most difficulty in, because a false testimony is not just about lying about what happened. A false testimony is also the person who refuses to say what God says about any given topic. And these are things that God hates. When you don't describe somebody else in what God says about the matter, you're doing something that God hates. So the whole 666 is things that God hates. No, it's you pouring out a testimony about what somebody else is doing, and it's not what God says they are doing. Your perspective, when your perspective on what you say is happening is not what God says. Being contentious, still pride, still division, but contentious. You can be contentious and not proud. You can be contentious and not haughty. What's it mean to be contentious? I have this happen at least twice a day within the whole group. Or within certain conversations that I have on Telegram. What's it mean to be contentious?
To be argumentative.
It's worse than being argumentative. It's being stubborn and argumentative. If I have a particular point that I'm presenting, somebody else has another point that they want to present, and the other person has the person A is presenting something, person B is presenting something, and person B doesn't care to listen to person A. Person A is trying to listen to person B. Person B has no interest in listening to person A. That's contentious. I'm speaking up because I can and I have no interest in what you're saying. That's the person who doesn't want to learn. Next one. Being controlling. This is no longer pride and self-exaltation. It's still division, relational destruction. It is still haughtiness. But controlling, of course, is the root of control and rebellion. If the way in which you understand a thing is not the way that God understands a thing, and you feel like you need to control the way that other people understand a thing,